Hey guys, I'm Dave the Chemist, Technical Director at OdoBan. In this video, we're going to be using OdoBan Disinfectant Concentrate and plain tap water to make a disinfecting spray you can use at home. If you love OdoBan or you just like entertaining, educational cleaning content, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. It really helps us out a lot. So maybe you just bought your first gallon of OdoBan Disinfectant and Odor Eliminator Concentrate. Or maybe you've used OdoBan for years and just need a quick refresher. Either way, this video is going to set you up to make your own disinfectant spray at home. If you've never used OdoBan before, we know you're going to love it. It cleans, it disinfects, it freshens, and eliminates odors. Not only that, it's really economical. This 1 gallon of concentrate makes over 70 32-ounce bottles of disinfectant spray right there at home. Now, if you know OdoBan, you know that we are known for our fresh scents. We offer this disinfectant in a whole range of fragrances. Today I'm working with our OdoBan Lavender. This is really one of my personal favorites. I love this because it has a robust, authentic lavender fragrance and it really leaves a lasting freshness in your home. Now let's talk about what you're going to need to make your own disinfecting spray. First, you're going to need your OdoBan concentrate and the fragrance of your choice. You're going to need a clean spray bottle. This is a 32 ounce, which is the most common size on the market. You're going to need a measuring cup, and of course, you're going to need plain tap water. Just a few safety reminders before we start. 1, never reuse an empty OdoBan bottle. 2, never mix OdoBan with any other cleaning product. 3, always label your spray bottle once you make your dilution to keep your family safe. And 4, always follow the label instructions on our bottle. Now, OdoBan has a lot of different uses and they all have different concentrations to mix at. Today we're talking disinfecting, and if you want to kill viruses, bacteria, and fungus like athlete's foot in your home, you're going to want to mix this at 7 ounces per gallon. But this is a 32-ounce bottle, not a gallon, so how many ounces do you need? For a 32-ounce bottle, you need 1.75 ounces of OdoBan concentrate. Now, our measuring cup only says 2 ounces on it, so we're going to put just a little less than that 2 ounces in. Remember, if you can't measure it exactly, always use a little more rather than a little less. So we simply put the OdoBan in the spray bottle. And now we're going to fill this up with plain tap water. Always remember, if you're using measuring cups to mix cleaning products, don't reuse them for food. And again, always label your diluted bottles. Now you can get those dilution labels on our website for free. Of course, disinfecting is just one of the ways to use OdoBan. Check out the chart on our label or on our website to find all the ways to mix and use OdoBan. In fact, tell us about your favorite way to use OdoBan in the comments right now. Thanks for watching and make life fresh. Thanks for watching this episode of The Odo Show on YouTube.
And if you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so that you always have a notification of when we're on.
We're kicking out great cleaning content all the time. So until next time, make life fresh.